Hey! Peekaboo!
Hi, Jim. It's me. It's Justina from Justina's Country Kitchen. I know you love vintage recipes as much as I do, and I have one you just gotta try. It is called grits ice cream. So, join me for some grits ice cream excitement.
I'm on it! Grits ice cream. Now that sounds fun. Let's get started! Let's start by making up some grits. Now I'm gonna pour those grits onto a tray and kind of spread it out and allow it to dry for 1 hour. Grab that hand mixer. It's time to mix 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream with a can of condensed milk. This recipe uses sorghum, something I've actually never tasted or used before. But don't you just love that container? It's very much an Appalachian type syrup. They say you can use it on pancakes or biscuits, but that it has a very unique flavor of its own, similar to maple syrup, honey, or molasses. I'm just gonna pour a little in my ice cream, about 1/4 cup. Sorghum comes from the sorghum cane. And now it's time to add those grits and mix it in. I'm gonna pour this into a container that I can freeze, and I'll be freezing this overnight. Time to taste grits ice cream. It's supposed to be a very southern thing. Very unique flavor. The grits adds a strange texture to the ice cream, but I think that's what makes this so unique. That texture mixed with that flavor. Grits ice cream is something worth trying. What a fun idea. I'm so happy Justina suggested this ice cream. Now you'll need to go check out her channel because she's making a different kind of grits ice cream. Go see her channel, Justina's Country Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me here on Jim's Kitchen. And until next time, I'll see you later. Why does an ice cream truck go so slow? Because they're a Sunday driver.